Cryptocurrency. USDT. Tether. Previous close. 1. 52-week range. 0.8995 to 1.0848. Start date. February 25, 2015. Market cap. 20.927 billion. Volume. 70,665,412,608. TEA score. Poor. Short-term score. 37.24. Weak. Medium-term score. 30.79. Poor. Long-term score. 29.6. Poor. Tether is the first and most popular stablecoins. Stablecoins reflect the value of fiat money, by holding sufficient reserves to support supply. In volatile cryptographic markets, this helps investors buy and sell currencies, with more control over their money.